Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to make Uber Eats bicycle account in Australia. To create an Uber Eats bicycle account in Australia, start by opening your preferred browser and visiting Uber's official site. Look for the delivery by bicycle option and select your state to begin. First, complete the background check and right to work verification. These are required to ensure you meet Uber's eligibility criteria. After that, take the bicycle safety test relevant to your state to confirm your readiness for safe deliveries. Once completed, fill out of your profile. Make sure you meet the age requirement of 18 and above. Keep an eye on your email for guidance from Uber throughout the registration process. Finally, complete the food safety education modules to learn best practices for handling delivery safely. With the steps done, your bicycle delivery account is ready to go. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.